Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the hard work so you can make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's juicier than a summer watermelon. On the left, we have the Holystone HS-175D, and on the right, the TENSSENX GPS drone. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, we have the price. Holystone HS-175D comes in at $229, while the TENSSENX GPS drone is a bit friendlier on the wallet at $169. So if you're looking to save some bucks, TENSSENX has got your back. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for, right? Or do you? Let's find out. Next, let's talk cameras. Both drones boast a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle, but Holystone has a 110 degrees wide angle, while TENSSENX steps it up with a 120 degrees wide angle. Reviewers appreciate the camera quality in both, but TENSSENX seems to capture more in each shot. Holystone, are you feeling a little narrow-minded today? Now, how about that flight experience? Holystone gives you up to 46 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. Not bad, right? But then TENSSENX swoops in, flexing with a whopping 52 minutes of flight time. That's like getting an extra episode of your favorite show without paying extra. Reviewers love the longer flight time on both, but TENSSENX edges out just a bit more airtime. Both drones are considerate in design and come with carrying cases and foldable fuselages, making them super portable and under 250 grams, so no FAA registration is needed. It's like they're both saying, "Don't worry, we won't snitch on you to the authorities." Reviewers find both designs to be sleek and convenient. Now, let's talk smart features. Both drones can trace and follow you, fly along a path you set, or circle around a point. They even take photos or videos when you strike a pose. It's like having your very own flying paparazzi. Reviewers love these intelligent features on both drones, making them fun and interactive. Reviewers generally have positive things to say about both drones. Holystone HS-175D is highly recommended for beginners due to its ease of use, stable flight, and good picture quality. TENSSENX GPS drone is praised for its affordability, impressive camera, and longer flight time, making it an excellent choice for those new to drone technology. So what's the final verdict? Both the Holystone HS-175D and the TENSSENX GPS drone have their strengths and quirks. If you're on a budget and want a little extra flight time, TENSSENX is your go-to. But if you're willing to spend a bit more for that Holystone brand name, go for it. Either way, you're getting a solid drone that's ready to take your aerial adventures to the next level. Drop a comment below and let us know which one you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Thanks for watching, and remember, always buy smart. Product links are in the description.